Now we are going to talk about how we are going to do mass change on purchase acquisition. Okay, so the purchase acquisition would be bus 202105. Okay, so here you can see. Now here we'll just go and execute, and we'll try to change some field. So we'll try to change three fields in this exercise. We'll try to change probably the purchasing group. I'll change the short description, and also we'll try to change probably one of these valuation price. Okay, let's see what we, or probably we can change the quantity. So let's go and try to find some purchase acquisition that we are going to change. So we are going to open a transaction SE16, and we go to EBAN table, and here we just execute. We try, probably there's enough. We have a lot of PRECs that can be changed. Okay, so now let's go. We are going to pick up settings, and we are going to bring in some fields that we are going to change. So we are going to bring ban fn, and we'll do this one, and we're going to change the short text, and we are going to change the purchasing group, and we are going to change probably the requisitioner, and we are going to change, so let's change 4, and the other one was not unit of measure. We are going to change the quantity, so it would be, I think, MENGE, MENGE, and so here we'll select this and we click apply. So here are all the things that we are going to. So there's a lot of things. Let's do one thing. We just hit control and we select a bunch. Now we go here. That's the way to go. So that and you can do mass stuff. So I think there is a limit of 1,000 records per mass transaction. So here, so first thing we are going to change is the purchasing group. We go here and we select purchase acquisition. We'll execute this and save this. Now we'll select the purchasing group. Let's see, we pick some purchasing group different. So we'll put 3, and in the meantime we have 1 here, a bunch of ones. So we'll do a mass change, click on save, and I like to see when things are changing here. So if you see things are changing, not yet, probably some issues. So it's churning. Oops, there's a bunch of errors. Could not be affected. Okay, so there's lots of changes that could not be done. Probably nothing. Yes, some got updated, you see, but some didn't. Okay, which is fine. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change some of this requisitioner field now. So we're going to go back, and here we are going to suppose change requisition, or we'll just change the short text now for the time being. Okay, so we'll populate the same field here, same PREX numbers, and we'll change the short description. Test PR change. We'll click this, and we'll click on save, and we'll see whether it's getting updated or not. Yes, see, it's getting updated. It's pretty fast, but now some of these may not get updated because these, I think, is material numbers, so you can't get updated. It has material numbers, so this is good. That's a good test. Now the next thing we are going to do is the requisitioner field, which would be the F name. Probably requisitioner, or it's not there or what? not there, I think. So the requisitioner field for some reason it's not there. So now we can do the MENG field. Okay, MENG. So it's quantity, and we'll probably spike it up. We'll populate this field, the purchase requisition numbers, and now we'll execute, and we'll try to add some quantity. So we'll put the 100,000. Ooh, that would spike up the dollar values. Okay, quantity. You have the quantity. Let me see. Do you have a valuation price somewhere? It will also multiply. I think valuation price. Yes. So you have this. So let's see whether it multiplies or not. So we'll save it. So sometimes the quantity you don't have to, but I want to show you that the other fields also gets updated. Okay, so valuation. So you see, all some of these fields are getting updated. So it's very important. So everything is getting updated. I think I need the total valuation price. Price. mm, Total value. So let's see. See here, this got multiplied completely. So yeah, so it matters a lot. You're changing stuffs and it got multiplied. So this is something. Some of them could not be updated. Some got updated. You know. So so these are some of the changes that we did. Purchase requisition mass change will happen when there is change in the purchasing group. These are some of the stuffs that you will be updating, like the change in description and so on and so forth. So those are very important stuff. So this covers everything on mass change of purchase requisition.